Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. This week, I'm giving you an overview and a quick look at the 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is the PHEV, the plug-in hybrid. Let's get started. The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, which stands for a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, receives a new 2.4-liter gasoline 4-cylinder engine this model year, replacing the outgoing 2-liter unit. A more potent electric motor and a more powerful battery are also new for 2021. As a result, the Outlander PHEV enjoys improved performance. Horsepower goes from 117 to 133, and a boost from 80 horsepower to 93 in a pair of rear engines. Its all-electric driving mode is better as well. The 21 model's battery pack improves from 12 kilowatts to 13.8, doubling its current all-electric range from 22 to 44. What differentiates it from the conventional hybrids is that you can plug it into an outlet to recharge the battery. How long does it take? It takes less than 8 hours to fully charge the vehicle with the level 1 charging through a standard 120-volt outlet, and less than 4 hours with a dedicated level 2 charger. DC fast charging charges the battery up to 80% of capacity in about 25 minutes. The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV comes in 2 trim levels, SEL and GT. We have the SEL with Super all-wheel control this time around. Your standard features with the SEL include 18-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights, fog lights, heated side mirrors, automatic wipers, a power liftgate, keyless entry, push-button start, leather upholstery, power adjustable heated front seats, a 60/40 split folding and reclining rear seats. I'll give you a demo of that. Dual zone automatic climate control, a rear view camera, voice controls, Bluetooth, a 6-speaker sound system, an 8-inch touchscreen display, which seems quite outdated. 3 USB ports, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. Some of the driver safety aids include forward collision alert with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams. If you were to step up to the GT, you'll add LED headlights, a sunroof, heated steering wheel, a multi-view camera, dual AC power outlets replacing the rear USB ports, adaptive cruise control, an upgraded sound system, and the new GT Premium interior package can be added and includes premium leather upholstery and a few black interior treatments. Here's a look at your backseat legroom and headroom from a guy who is 5'11". This was my position as the driver up front, so this is me sitting behind myself. So you can see here with my knees and the back of the seat, going at about that much room. Not too shabby, right? I'm sitting here behind the passenger seat because I had some sun glare behind the driver's seat. So anyways, here is my headroom, so you get a good idea of what it looks like there. You can see they have an indent in the roofline of the Outlander to give yourself a little bit more room. So if I was 6'2", I'd be right there on the verge of scraping my head on the roofline. But other than that, it's not bad. Sometimes when you sit in the middle, you have a bit of a hump here, but it's not that bad. I am up a little higher up. But again, that indent makes a difference. Taking a closer look now at the cargo behind the back row, 30.4 cubic feet. So folding down the back row is a couple of steps, actually 3. Little number tab right there, 1. Number tab down there, number 2. And this will lift up automatically. And then you come back up here for number 3 to fold that down. The same thing on the other side, pull tab. Pull tab, and flip this down. And there's your cargo volume expanded with the back row folded down. With the back seat folded down, you'll find up to 66.6 cubic feet of volume, which is a decent amount for this type of SUV. By the way, the PHEV will be the only Outlander sold for the 2021 model year. That's because everyone is waiting for the 2022 model, which should be happening anytime soon. The base MSRP in our trim level this week, $36,295. Well, I hope you found that helpful. I'll put more information on everymandriver.com, more details, specs, and other numbers that might be important to you in your research process. So check out everymandriver.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.